Facebook, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn. There's way too many tabs. Where's the browser tab I had open with the rutabaga Cookoff competition? Oh, is it Friday already? Hello again, Dr. Stiletto Heels.
Greetings, Bob. I heard you were tired of clicking your way through open browser tabs and thought I'd pop in to tell you. There is a better way.
A better way to click between browser tabs.
Indeed! By simply holding Control and pressing Tab, you can more easily cycle between both the tabs that you have open.
Okay, and if you got more than two?
What, like if you were some sort of browser tab hoarder or something?
That's not... You really think that's hoarding?
Maybe. I'm not a hoardologist.
Actually, what kind of science are you an expert on, anyway?
Well, I started off in social work, but I changed my major to agricultural studies.
Okay.
But then I developed a dirt allergy, so I became a volatile chemistry major.
Yeah, I feel like we're losing a thread here.
Oh, right. For those of you with multiple browser tabs open, pressing Control-Tab will cycle the browser tabs to the right. Similarly, by pressing Control-Shift-Tab, you can cycle through browser tabs to the left.
Well, thank you much, Dr. Skelligro. Is that all?
No, actually, I eventually switched my major to ethical hacking, but realized I wasn't.
A hacker?
Sure, we'll go with that. And that is all from the evil laboratory of one Dr. Erroneous P. Stickler.
All right, well, thanks, Dr. Son of a Gun. Okay. Oh, there's my rutabaga Cookoff application. So, what do you think? Not about the keyboard shortcut. I think the Cookoff. I think my rutabaga quiche has a shot. Comments below.